In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail button to Google Chrome. This is a really handy feature that allows you to access your Gmail with just one click, making your daily email check-ins quicker and more efficient. Let's dive right into the steps and get started on setting up this useful shortcut on your browser. To begin with, you'll first need to open Google Chrome on your computer. If you haven't already done so, you might want to ensure that you're using the latest version of Chrome for the best experience. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the Chrome Web Store by simply typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar or navigating directly to chromegoogle.com Web Store in the address bar. This is where you'll find a plethora of extensions available to enhance your browsing experience, including the Gmail button we're looking for. Next, in the search box on the top left side of the Chrome Web Store, type in Gmail button. As you type, a list of suggestions will appear. Look for an option that closely matches Gmail button. When you find it, click on the related search result. This will take you to the extensions page, where you can find more detailed information about it, including features, user reviews, and screenshots that provide a sneak peek into what it offers. Once you are on the extensions page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome, located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it. The browser might ask for confirmation by displaying a pop-up window asking whether you want to add the extension. It's important to read the permissions the extension requires. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Add Extension. Now sit back for a moment as Chrome adds this useful tool to your browser. After the installation is complete, you should see the Gmail button appear in the Chrome toolbar, generally to the right of the address bar or amongst your other enabled extensions. If you don't see it right away, you can click on the puzzle piece icon to manage your extensions and pin it to the toolbar. This will ensure that your Gmail button is always visible and easily accessible with a single click. And there you have it. With the Gmail button now added to your Chrome browser, checking your emails just got a lot more convenient. You can access your Gmail inbox directly with a simple click, bypassing the need to type in the site address each time. This feature is just one of the ways you can customize and improve your browsing experience, making the web work for you more efficiently. Don't forget to explore other handy extensions in the Chrome Web Store that might complement your daily workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.